Vicky. I'm one of the designers here at Scavolini Store Roseville.
And my name is Rodolfo. I'm also one of the designers here at Scavolini Store Roseville.
Today we're going to give you a tour of the showroom. Let's go.
Alright, so here in Scavolini Store Roseville, I'm going to introduce you to our Motus Live Kitchen in the melamine finish as well as a stained lacquer. So in this one, this is our traditional 36-inch bottom drawer freezers, as well as the French door for our Miele fridge. Bottom freezer. So in this case, we have two-sided pantries on each end. With the integrated groove strip for easy access. As you can see, for those individuals that want to have that pantry storage availability, this is a concept that you could definitely afford. So for our Motus Live upper cabinets, we have in the stained brass finish with a vertical flip-up cabinet. As well as an illuminated bottom shelf with an LED option as a sensor. So moving along, this one is an upper cabinet to give illuminated light for the sink base. This one is the flip-up, as well with the illuminated bottom option. The carcass material is in the textile sand. In the food shelf you saw it in anthracite finish, which was gray. So this one just complements the outside frame color. This one, the one that I showed you earlier, is a manual flip up. This one's going to be the servo drive option. So in our Motus Live Kitchen, we do have another Miele induction cooktop, 36-inch. As well as with the hub base 2-drawer option. This one's full extension. It does have the Blum upgraded drawers, full size, as well as the full backing system. So in every kitchen you must have a cutlery drawer for your utensils, knife sets. So this one's very unique. It's a 24-inch. So in our Motus kitchen, if you wish to avoid any drawer lines, horizontal lines running through the kitchen, you could always do a full-size door, but then in the inside you have all your track systems with your insert drawer glides. For our Live Kitchen, we have the Miele knock to open option for our dishwasher. Comes automatically, and as well we paneled it with a custom panel for the front. Alright, so this one is the combi steam option with the swivel handle, soft close drop, and as well with the M-Touch board. This was the guided tour through our Motus Live Kitchen. Hope you enjoyed the tour and looking forward to helping you design your space.